Stunning corner lot. Meticulous and spacious with over 3,000 square feet of living space in the desirable community of Harbour Isles. This 4/3/3 home has so much to offer, it won't last long. This unique floor plan has the master bedroom, 3 additional bedrooms, a retreat room with engineered hardwood and a large study/den on the first floor. On the second floor there is a large bonus/game room that provides plenty of room for entertaining. The entry has 8 feet double doors, 18 inches tile throughout the common areas, granite countertops and kitchen with 42 inches wood cabinets. Also includes gourmet kitchen with a double oven, stainless steel appliances and a wine fridge. Crown molding and master bedroom with large closets and beautiful master bath. New exterior paint in 2020 and interior has been repainted. Curb appeal. Step outside to enjoy the large/paved screened lanai with water and electric 220 wired hookups ready for an outdoor kitchen and hot tub.